Okay, here we have 4K UHD camera from Botslab with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor inside. This has a 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, built-in GPS for Google Maps recording if you want to do that, voice control, and the version of this camera is Botslab G300H Plus. And well, let's take it out and see what this is about. Obviously, most of them have a parking monitor if you want to activate and connect it like that. And here we have the camera on the side. Let me put this here just to see what's inside first. We have an adhesive piece, user's manual. Okay, this is nice. So they included two of these, a cleaning cloth. These are the pieces that you stick to the windshield, clear. So just not to leave residue from the adhesive of the camera. You just stick this and put the camera on top of it. And that's beautiful. I was looking for that. And the rest is just how to use it and all that, which we're going to look at it right now. But first, let me get into the camera. Weight-wise, absolutely amazing. This is your adhesive part that goes on the windshield, and this camera faces forward. The camera can articulate, as you see, just to make sure it's right on the center where you need it. This is the lens cover. It says AI there, 4K dash cam, on and off button, and up and down arrow buttons for menus right here. And then on the bottom you have the microphone. On the side here, nothing. This is your screen. And then you have the connections. That's a Type-C where you connect for power. Then you have the micro SD card, which, by the way, it comes with a 64 gig micro SD card in the box, so you're ready to start. Then you have the 2-channel connection for the rear camera that we have right here. And besides that, not much else except the quality. Really good. Literally feels like an Apple product. Like if Apple made the dash camera, it feels like that. I'm not joking. And here, let's see what's in this box. So, non-descriptive box. We know what it is, but this feels like the connecting USB cable. Yep, 90-degree angle USB-C to USB-A for the power and or data. That depends on you how you use it. A squeegee thingy here to put to route the cable under the car liner. And we have more of these adhesive things to stick the dash camera that is right here with its appropriate wiring. And here you have the port that connects to the 12 volts with the USB on top here. And that is it. And we're going to insert this brand new 64 gig micro SD card to it. And we should be ready to go. Boom. That's it. Let the camera restart real quick. Boom. That's it. Format card. Yes, we have to format. Click yes with a lower arrow. And in a second, you'll be formatted. And here, let me take now this thingy right here. Nice. So now it is open. Oh, look at that. So this turns green when it's recording, or if the camera detects too much motion, it will kick in emergency recording right away. This is actually really cool. Look at that. So there's zero lag at all. Looks really nice. Let me see what other options we have. Exit emergency video. Yes. Let me stop the recording. Loop video. And we can view the videos, looks like, directly here. Yep. So I can review my own footage. Urgent video, snap video, time-lapse video, if we did any, parking monitor, and photos. Nice. So all the media can be viewed here. Let me go to the settings real quick. You can connect your phone. If you click here, video settings, let me just check what's going on. Emergency video sensitivity, I'm going to leave it on low. I'm going to go to resolution, oh yeah, 2160. Nice. Time-lapse resolution, 1080p, we don't need that. Recording, yes. Auto exposure, I'm going to leave it on Evo. Video watermarks, you can leave the mile per hour if you want to, built-in speed. Or you can turn it off like I'm doing right now for media purposes. Driving assistant, this would be fatigue driving if you drive over, I think it's around 2 hours with most of the dash cameras. That'll give you kind of a nudge to say that, okay, take it easy. Parking monitor, system settings, and about device. System settings, we have smart voice, and it is activated. Take photo, video, start. Okay, so we have two commands, take photo or video start. Really nice. Speaker volume medium. Well, let me put on high since we're here. Display settings, front camera. Let me put it on rear camera, and I'm gonna put a rear camera large since we're driving. Format memory, we don't need that. Startup sound, I'm gonna put it on no. One touch mute, I'm gonna leave that on. Indicator light, yes. Rear camera mirror, no. Track collection, we did that already. Screensaver kicks in a minute if you want to. Or you can leave the screen always on like I'm doing right here. And we are connected to this device via Wi-Fi, obviously. You have all the settings that you just saw on camera itself here on the app. You have a replay if you have videos and all that stuff as you see right here. You have the loop videos, you have time-lapse recordings if you had any, or the parking monitoring if you put it on that mode. You have video capture, photo capture, and all that. Or you can click live and you see directly whatever the camera is recording in real time in your phone, and you have the option to take a snapshot directly here, or you can do a screen recording directly right here. And the same way, if we connect the rear camera really quick. Okay, the rear camera has a little light, and we can click here and it switches to the rear camera directly. It actually looks quite clean. Well, 1080p, but it's clean for 1080p. And besides that, all it is left is to go install it on the car and start driving. And here's the camera fully installed on the windshield, and I managed to route the wires on the top liner, and they just go around the side over the liner and the insulation around the doors and go straight to the back to the rear camera, the cable for the rear camera obviously, and the other cable just simply routed through the door and glove compartment and goes to the center console where the power outlet is. And besides that, we can go take a drive and see how it looks. I don't know what to say on the drive, but you see it yourself. Looks pretty good. The front, especially, really crisp. And the rear camera is really good too. So, this is all I can tell you about it. It's actually quite a good product, high quality, connects to the phone right away. You can record directly on the phone or on the SD card, or you can do parking recording. That's 24/7 if you want to. And you have the voice commands and the fatigue reminder if you decide to have them activated. And we'll see you next time. Link will be down in the description. That link obviously will be an affiliate link between me and Amazon, and not between me and Botslab. But if you decide to get it, I might get a penny or two. Thank you.